let's learn about exclamations.
Thank you for returning my book. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
May I use your telephone? Of course.
Of course.
I finished all my homework. Excellent!
Excellent.
My mom said I can come to your party. Wonderful!
Wonderful.
Can you pick me up after school? No problem.
No problem.
I'm sorry. Please talk to me. No, go away.
Go away.
Can I come with you?
If you want.
If you want.
Now choose the correct answer.
Could you help me carry these books? Go away or no problem. Could you help me carry these books?
No problem.
Thank you for helping me carry the books. You're welcome or if you want. Thank you for helping me carry the books.
You're welcome.
That bee keeps bothering us. Go away or if you want. That bee keeps bothering us.
Go away. Now unscramble the letters.
Would you please help me with the dishes after dinner?
Of course.
We don't have to wait in line at the theatre. I already bought tickets.
Wonderful.
Thank you for cleaning the house.
You're welcome.
Thank you. What do you say?
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Could you help me? What do you say?
Of course.
Of course.
I got an A on my test. What do you say?
Excellent.
Excellent.
I got front row tickets. What do you say?
Wonderful.
Wonderful! Could you help me, please? What do you say?
No problem.
No problem.
Give me that toy. What do you say?
Go away.
Go away.
May I come along on your walk? What do you say?
If you want.
If you want.
Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.